Well, good morning. Here I am in Harrogate. Beautiful detached property, and I've been asked by the homeowner to give this driveway a proper deep clean and biocide treatment. It's got lots of weeds, moss, very discoloured with biofilm. Quite frankly, it's a bit of a mess. So follow along as I go through the steps to transform it from this to this. So I was first here 3 weeks ago and I put weed killer down because it was a little bit overgrown. But there's still lots of moss and biofilm here, so I'm going to give this a really deep clean. This ornamental circle's seen better days, and here for some reason the sets are all wobbly and moving about. So once this is all being cleaned, I'll be returning on a dry day to re-sand the blocks, and that's when I'm going to apply a killer post treatment, a bio soft wash. That will keep this whole area looking clean and bright and smart for months and years to come. So there's a lot to do. Let's get started. As can be seen, there's a lot of mud and sludge to clean up. This really gives you an idea of just how dirty this driveway was. I'm going to shovel this up and we'll put it underneath the shrubs in the corner of the garden. It's good for the soil, lots of organic matter, sand, good for drainage. Well, that's looking a lot better. Everything rinsed down now, ready for the next step. There's still some problem areas. Let me just show you what I mean. So down here where the plant pots are, we've got a shady area. We've got a bit of a black spot infestation. That's these black speckles that you can see all over the surface. We've also got more of it down in this area. It's quite common to see it up against flower borders where the soil can run onto the paving. Now these kinds of organic stains are not easily removed with pressure washing. So what I'm going to do next is put a deep clean alkaline foam down, and that will set to work dissolving most of those stains away. Right, the chemical's done its work, just give it a rinse down. And I should say also that the homeowner's just been out for a quick chat and asked me to do this side path and also the patio around the back. It's quite a big area actually. So back for the second visit now, still got the patio to clean. The driveway is still to sand, and then I'm going to apply the biocide treatment over the whole area. 1 or 2 grey skies in the cloud though, so I'm going to sand the driveway now, just so I don't get caught out in case there's a light rain shower. So just about to get started round the back, let's just have a quick look around, see what surfaces we're dealing with and what condition they're in. So on the side path we've got ordinary concrete paving slabs, easy peasy to clean. Immediately in front of the French doors we've got York stone, or sometimes called Yorkshire stone. This can be very hard to clean. It's a very dense but very porous stone, and we can get tough stains like black lichen that are actually alive within the stone itself. Adjoining the York stone, and actually quite well matched, we've then got Indian sandstone. So just like York stone, Indian sandstone is very susceptible to black lichen, but it tends to be easier to clean. And as we get into this shady corner, we've got an ornate stone circle. It's really dirty, lots of moss, but hopefully it'll clean up really nicely. And if we look a little bit closer, we can see that the pointing's absolutely knackered. So if I lose any bits and pieces from that, I'm not going to lose any sleep at all. Right, got that cleaned off, but there's heaps of black lichen. This is really going to take some shifting, so I'll get some products on here, really strong, leave it to dwell. Okay, so it's time now to set up the chemical injector, put the bio soft wash done, and then we're done for the day. So that's been a long afternoon, but I'm all finished. I'm really pleased with how that's come out. Let's have a quick look around and I'll show you what I mean. This side passage was really dirty and grimy. Look at it now. And this stone circle is looking as clean as a whistle. It was filthy before. This pathway had quite a lot of black lichen on it, all gone. And this area here, where you've got the Indian sandstone meeting the York stone, looks incredibly good actually. It's come up surprisingly well. And I have to compliment the builder, he's done a really good job of blending these two different stone types together. And this large block paved driveway, I was first here 3 weeks ago to treat it for weeds. And on the return visit, really went to town, got rid of all of the moss, all of the black lichen, all of the algae. It's looking fantastic now. So about the bio soft wash treatment, we don't rinse that away. In actual fact, we want it to soak in. It leaves a residue which goes on to work for months and months into the future. Moreover, it'll stay cleaner for longer and won't need pressure washing nearly as frequently. So that's been a really satisfying job to do actually. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Great customer too. So until next time folks, all the best to all of you.